स्टैम्प वेंडर्स का भी सर बड़ा इशू रहता है।
12 उनके लिए दो
जनाब
ठीक
जनाब
It can only be temporary and some lawyers are ailing. क्या शुरुआत क्या
Honorable Principal District and Station Judge Sahab Pulwama, Honorable CGM Sahab Pulwama, worthy Additional Deputy Commissioner Avantipora, worthy SSP Avantipora, and other honorable guests. President Bar Association Pampur, Senior Bar members Haji Abdullah Bar and Malik Bashir Ahmad Saab, and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I, on behalf of Bar Association Pampur, cordially welcome all the honorable guests who, despite of their busy schedule, have managed the time to grace this occasion, which is being organized in the event of book launch as one of our colleagues, namely Dr. Arif Hussain Masoodi Advocate, has authored a book on POCSO, the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012. Principal District and Sessions Judge Pulwama, which I was supposed to put forth. I would like guest Principal District and Sessions Judge Saab has Additional Duty Commission for this Avantipora, who has lastly with regard to the police, with young dynamic President Bar Association Pampur, Mr. Ajaz Ahmed Khan Saab, to address this gathering. Please.
मोहतरम प्रिंसिपल डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड सेशन जज साहब, CGM साहब, मुंसिफ पुलवामा, मुंसिफ अवंतीपोरा, मुंसिफ पामपोर साहब, ADC अवंतीपोरा, SSP साहब, DSP साहब, मेंबर बार, अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। लिहाजा ये बुक लॉन्च आरिफ साहब ने इनफरादी तौर पे नहीं किया, बार एसोसिएशन ने जो है वर्चुअली ये कंसिडर किया कि ये बुक लॉन्च बार एसोसिएशन कर रहा है। लिहाजा बार एसोसिएशन के हर एक मेंबर ने इसमें जो है शाना बशाना इनका साथ दिया, इनके साथ रहे, और हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि फ्यूचर में ये बहुत आगे जाएंगे और बहुत जो है अच्छा नाम करेंगे, काम भी करेंगे। और हमारे लिए है, हमारे यंगस्टर्स आते हैं
Zad security was reserved.
Thank you very much, my esteemed colleagues, Additional DC Saab, my Chief Judicial Magistrate, SSP Saab, my Secretary Dalsa, President Bar Association, senior members Mr. Malik Saab, young members of Bar Association Pampur. We have senior prosecuting lady officer here. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am very happy to be with you today. In fact, our young lawyer who has authored this book came to me along with the members of the bar, I think some months before. I am very happy that a young lawyer has made a very sincere effort to compile, to write a book by analytically going through the provisions of the POCSO Act. These legislations are emerging and our lawyers have to take keen interest in them because offences against children are on the rise. And at the same time, this act is the offshoot of the social justice legislation. I once again thank you for organizing this function. We had discussion on your problems, and at the same time, these occasions are important for judiciary to understand each other, sit with each other and interact. I am happy to see the members of the administration here. With these words, I thank you all and I will be coming here. Now you have not to invite me. Seeing the strength of the bar and the young cases, I will always be available to you. Thank you.
I would like to request Mr. Arif Hussain Masudi Saab, who is the author of this book, to share his ideas.
First of all, I would like to thank our Mr. Wardi, Principal District Sessions Judge, Mr. Abdur Rashid Malik Saab, CGM Saab Pulwama, CGM Pulwama, Secretary Legal Service Authority Pulwama, Munsif Pulwama, Munsif Avantipura, and our presiding officer of the Munsif Court Pampur, and especially SSP Avantipura, ADC Avantipura, and prosecuting officers of the District Administration of Pulwama, and our bar members and the rest who have joined us presently. It's a very happy moment for me, and not for me only, for the whole bar. I think Ejaz Saab and Arshad Saab has already shared their views regarding the book. Assalamu alaikum.
I would like to request Honorable Munsif Pampur to pay vote of thanks.
Worthy Principal District and Session Judge Saab, worthy Chief Judicial Magistrate Saab, worthy Judicial Officers, SSP Saab, ADC Saab, and learned members of the bar. On behalf of Pampur Bar, as well as on my behalf, I would like to thank worthy District and Session Judge Saab, CGM Saab and rest of honorable judges, as well as SSP Saab and ADC Saab for sparing time out of their busy schedule and coming and encouraging Arif Saab for having his book launched. With these words, I would like to thank everyone present here with us today, and I would request the dignitaries as well as the bar members to please have a small meal with us. Thank you.
पहले तो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, आपका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं कि आप यहाँ आए। आज ये जो छोटी सी फंक्शन का इनकाद हुआ है, ये एक्चुअली बुक लॉन्च के सिलसिले में हुआ है। एक्चुअली मैंने इस किताब पे काम किया था, पिछले 6 महीनों से मैंने इस पे काम किया है। इंशाल्लाह आज ये पाई तकमील पे पहुंची। It was actually due to the efforts of my senior members. I would like to mention their names, Mr. Fayaz Ahmad Lone Saab and Arshad Ahmad Dar Saab, who has appreciated me through this journey. And not the last, Mr. Abdur Rashid Malik Saab, Principal District Sessions Judge Saab. He has very much guided me in this completion of the book. Who used to told me, I visited thrice there, Pulwama at Pulwama. When I approached him, he told me how to add, what to add, and what part to mention, and that was the most encourageable on the part of PDJ, who encouraged me.
So how did you feel now?
It's honored. I'm honored.
What will be your message for your co-lawyers?
My message to my lawyers, not this bar, lawyers of this bar, but to the whole this legal fraternity, that you have a skies to achieve. This is not the one part of lawyer is that he would usually practice in the court, practice law before the court. Ultimately, by the grace of Almighty and with the well-wishers, with the wishes of my well-wishers, I have come with this book. And secondly, I would like to share with you that I'm working on 2 more books. One book is the protection of women from Domestic Violence Act. Inshallah, that will be completed within 1 month or so. And secondly, I am also working on second book, that's on 4th book. That will be my 4th book, inshallah. That is Prevention of Corruption Act.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका।
Thank you very much. Thank you.